Here I've got CUBOT Power, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on System. Then go to Reset Options, and here you'll notice Erase All Data, Factory Reset, so this is the one that we are interested in. As you can see, this operation will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and all the other user data. As you can see, here is your current Google account, which will also be removed. If you truly want to perform this operation, click on Reset Phone. If you have some pattern or PIN code, you have to enter it now. I will draw my pattern, and now you have to confirm one more time that you want to do it, because this operation cannot be undone. I will click on Erase Everything, and now just wait a couple of minutes until your device will wipe all the data from the internal storage. And now you can set up your device as a new one. So just set the language and all the other settings and use your device as the brand new. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.